So here we are introducing the new Sharkbite Max. What is the Sharkbite Max? Well, let me show you by opening this box. The Sharkbite Max is Sharkbite's newest product. What is different about it is it's 2 times the burst pressure. It's because of the reinforced stainless steel outer ring that it has, of how it's being reinforced, as it says here. It still has that 25-year warranty. You can hook up from copper to PEX to PERT to SCED 40, I even think, to CPVC, yeah. All of that within this. If you don't want to use additional adapters, you can use the Sharkbite. What's really cool about this new Sharkbite is that if you check in the middle of this Sharkbite, you can tell that it no longer has the PEX stiffeners, where back in the day, if you do copper, some people might have told you to take it out. However it's made, you no longer need that, and you can just push any type of fitting in there without the stiffener anymore, which is very awesome because you don't have that little piece dangling inside. Second thing, they say it's half the insertion effort is what they say, which is pretty neat because I actually tried this myself before I made this video, and it does take a lot less effort to put this in. So if you want to see it, check it out. And that's it. It's in. Versus the other ones, a lot harder to push in. You get that ending push where you kind of have to feel that last thud when you're working on it. But as for this one, you don't have that. You don't have that feeling there. And if you do want to take it out, the other ones from before, they're actually really hard to take out. This one, a lot easier, a lot less effort to take out as well. So not only insertion effort is less, taking them out is a lot easier. Now I'm not sure about the Sharkbite, about rotating it or not. These are one of the things that it can do about being rotated. I wouldn't really rotate fittings after I put it in unless it's a 90 or I want to rotate the pipe. But as you know, you can rotate the pipe when you put it into these Sharkbite Maxes. One additional thing with these is that they're actually approved for behind the wall installations. I know it's been a stigma where you wouldn't put Sharkbite behind a wall, but I would never say no to it. If you ever need to do a repair and you do have Sharkbites on you, this would be a great addition to your truck stock. I think it could save you in desperate times. It can also be a really quick installation for you to get in and out of there, unless you want to do a bigger project around whatever's leaking afterwards. So definitely a pretty neat product what Sharkbite has come out with. I know a lot of people have not been too entertained about push fit, but when I was in Germany doing the issue, a lot of the products that the Europeans do use are push fits. So I think that if you give it more of a try, you might like it more and you might end up using more of it. So as you can tell, this is the new Sharkbite Max. If you got any questions, I got links below. Question me, DM me, ask me for questions. I'll give whatever I can and lead you the right way.